What's up, people? Headed back to the Rockies. Gonna go hit the trail or two. May do one of the mountain summit trails, and then if the rain holds off, do a little waterfall trail too. Excited about that. And that's that. Head back to Monty, and Monty's the RV, by the way. To Keystone, Montana. So of course it has to be named Monty. Yeah, head back to Monty. I don't know. Smoke some pot, chill out, go to bed. Alright. Made a pit stop in Estes Park. Just outside of Rocky Mountain National Park. I love this little town. Got everywhere you look, everywhere you go, the town is built around this creek. It's beautiful. It's kind of, parts of it's touristy, but there's also a lot of really cool shops. The outdoor shop, Outdoor World, is really cool. I like it. Bear Lake, Rocky Mountain National Park. Absolutely beautiful. Bring your Corona mask. Hey, duck. You got an igloo? That's crazy. I've never seen a duck in an igloo. That's nuts. Focus. Focus. Come on. Oh, you little shit. There we go. It's so pretty. Snow basically year round, but it's not bad at all. I like that. It's really not. Have half-assed decent pair of hiking boots, waterproof. You'll be fine. No big deal. Yeah. Great hike.
Yeah.
Super easy hike. Kid friendly if you got kids. Is that poop? That's poop. I'm gonna say, I was gonna say rabbit. I'm not sure. It's a little big for rabbit. Yeah. There's crop circles around the trees.
Oh shit.
Have the aliens been here? This one is the Glacier Gorge trailhead to Alberta Falls. From the parking lot to Alberta Falls, it's 0.6 miles. And Bear Lake was 0.72. So this trail follows this color. Alberta Falls Trail takes a turn, turns into this cool little, I don't know what these trees are, but it's cool. That's cool. Hurrah!
Hurrah!
Alberta Falls, big thumbs up. I like it a lot. It's insane the stuff you see around every corner. It's beautiful. It's crazy. It's awesome. It's an easy trail. If you have serious breathing issues, watch any alpine hike. I'm fairly active, and the altitude gets me. And if you have any serious walking issues, this might not be for you, but for the most part, it's an easy hike. It's definitely doable, and it's absolutely worth it.